Hey guys, welcome back to another zpult unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at moment photo cases. So this is for the XS Max and also for the XS. So I am looking to upgrade the stuff here in the channel with moment lenses, so that's why I need moment cases. But yeah, moment cases are still pretty good as a standalone case. So let's take a look at it. It says moment photo case XS Max black canvas. So you have black canvas here at this side, and here you have walnut wood. So they have both a different texture, so we're gonna take a look at them both for today. An everyday case for people who love photography, so that's kind of me. Lens interface to connect cinema quality moment lenses. Textured material for better grip, that is nice. Camera strap attachment, wow. I don't have a camera strap yet, I'm gonna maybe get one still. New shock absorbing inner geometry, advanced drop protection. So of course you want to protect your overall camera as well. Warrants product to be free from defects, materials, workmanship, help deters moment ink. So shopmoment.com if you want to get one of these. Very nice box overall. I do like overall the logo and the branding itself. Take a look at it. This is wow, that's what you get for the black canvas. Look at this, guys. Let's take a peek first at the overall texture. Look at that. It definitely feels premium. It's around $40 for the overall case, so actually pretty competitive price. It's similar compared to the price of other cases as well. But of course, the advantage is you're getting a lens mount also. Moment branding, really nice brand altogether. Opening it up, of course you get let's get lost in maybe the moment. Wow. And look at that, guys. Even the the overall case, it has that box kind of look. Maybe a recycled thing going on, maybe. And here, wow, look at that shop moment, and what we call that, Julia Manchik. Wow, that is what she shot with this moment lens. So that's nice. So actually, the culture behind moment is something that I resonate with, because I am a photographer. So I do feel more of a taking shots or taking photography if I have a camera gear with me, a camera focused gear with me. So you have an Alcantara thing going on here. It's shot on moment hashtag going on, so maybe I'm gonna use that for my future photos. Of course, in the side, as you can see, guys, it's actually pretty protected. You have a sort of reinforcement here at this side, pretty thick case overall. It's a bit weighty also, so definitely if you're into protection, this might be really good. This is pretty thick overall, quite thick, maybe in the Tech 21 kind of level. Actually thicker than my cap bases. So yeah, protection wise is pretty good and feels weighty also. This doesn't bend that much. Definitely maybe the canvas that they put here, there's some rigidity going on. It's not that easy to bend, as you can see, guys. So really great case overall. Of course, this is the lens mount here at this side, and this is your strap thing going on, and you have all the holes that you need for of course your phone. And of course, I'm gonna put it now in my XS Max. Let's try it out. So this is my XS Max, and very easy to put in. And as you can see, this is what I'm looking for in cases, guys. It needs to have a lip, because I do put the stuff on the table from time to time, and it needs to have a lip, and this does have a lip, guys, so that's nice. And of course, you do get a pretty thick in terms of the overall protection at the side. And the buttons wise, good here at this side. This one is pretty good also. You have a hole for your silence, and of course you have that holes for your speaker, and of course the strap. So pretty nice, and it's quite big also in terms of the hole, so that is nice overall. Pretty rigid in terms of the overall build. Yes, I do like this one. This feels really good and well balanced case overall. Branding is really nice. Of course, let's open up the other one for the iPhone XS, which I'm shooting it with right now. So wow, this is a different wooden look. I actually kind of like this one better because it's more natural, and you do have additional stuff here. Long lip, the picture taker, that is kind of me. And opening it up, you do have also black here. And in terms of the overall, let's get lost in the moment, additional photo. So yeah, attention to detail, guys. Shot on moment, Daniel Chase. Okay, so also has that Alcantara kind of design. Again, reinforced stuff here, shot and moment, and yeah, the main difference is this one, and also still pretty weighty. So yes, these are the moment cases. Comparing it quickly, look at that, guys. I am liking the walnut better. It looks more, unique in a way. There's of cases looks more, I don't know, I just resonate with it more. Though sometimes maybe this is my main phone, so I do like on all black kind of design. This just my for fun phone, the iPhone XS Max, so it will fit the walnut better. It's my kind of photo and video kind of phone, so it will fit this one better. But I do like them both. They make great stuff. So that is the moment cases, guys. Very nice cases. I do recommend it. For somebody who's really picky about cases, this is very nice. Oh, one minor thing though is this adds a bit of weight. So if you're not into weight, if you're not into thickness, of course, this might not be for you. But otherwise, if you're okay with thick cases, this is definitely really cool. If you want to get one, use my links down in the comments below. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.